Hi, this is Mani. I am a Hindi teacher. I have been teaching Hindi since many years, and during these years, I have trained several students. While training them, I came to know few things like where a student face challenges to understand the language. Sometimes they don't understand where they should use ka, where they should use ke, ki, like how. For example, राम का किताब और राम की किताब. So in my upcoming videos, you will see how to use ka, ke, ki and like many other basic concepts of Hindi language. So with the help of my videos, parents and children can understand easily how to use, where to use these small but most important concepts. Thank you so much. If you like my videos, please share, subscribe and press the bell button. Thank you so much.